Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to turn off or how to don't allow people to share or to download your videos or share them in other platforms on the application of TikTok. So to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. Here we will go to we go here to TikTok. In this page you will click on this window of profile. Then in this page you have to go to this sign. After that you will click on settings and privacy. In this window you will find the page of privacy. You will enter to this page, and here in this window you'll have this page of interactions. You will enter to downloads as you see, and you will click here, and after that you will find this sign here, video downloads. As you see, allow other people to download your videos and share downloads to other platforms. If this settings is off, a link to your video can still be shared. So you have to click here in this sign and to turn off this sign to not allow other people to share your videos on other platforms or to download your videos. But if you want to not allow them also to not get the link of your video, and you want to be or to have privacy, you have to go back. After that you will find this window of privacy. Here you click on private account and you click on this sign to turn on private account. As you see here, with a private account only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.